Stello playing catch. Oh, did I say in the rain? Here he comes.
Let go, you drooling fool.
Get it.
Let it go. Don't you growl at me.
In the rain. Back. In the rain. Heavy slid. And here he comes.
Stop growling, stupid. Stop, because if you bite me, game over. Come here. Let go. Sit down.
That's a good boy. Ain't he cute?
Give it here. If I didn't think he'd knock him down and throw it in the yard.
No, you don't, because of all the mud.
Yeah, let go.
How the hell does he bark with the stick in his mouth? And don't let go.
Get your paws off me. Digging in my leg, stupid. You're making it real hard to want to play with you. Doing stupid things. You probably should move this, whatchamacallit, bug zapper.
Hi. Say bye.